All right, everyone. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick little showcase of one of the new things that got added into Classroom. You can check out here my Google Classroom. When you come into here, you're now going to see a new section called Grades. So I want to show you how I'm going to use this. I don't put grades into Google Classroom. I stick with putting them into Genesis, but I still found some pretty helpful things with regards to using this page. Specifically right here. This now gives you a overview of all of your assignments turned in, missing, etc. So if a student comes to you, as opposed to hunting through your classwork or going through your screen, your stream, you can come to your grades section and then you can look for that specific assignment. So let's say one of my students, Malika, says, you know what, I did complete assignment number 8. Check it out. The little 3 dots will show up next to every single assignment. And what's even nicer about this is that when you click on it, you can click on View Submission. What that will do is load up a new tab, and then you'll be able to look at that specific work for that specific student in our screen. And I'll look here and go, you know what? Sorry, there is nothing left in here for me to grade, so your grade will stay the same. However, if we come into here and I click on View Submission for this student, just to kind of show you what it would look like, again, it'll open up a new tab. It'll open up to that specific student, to that work, and you'll see here I have this student's screenshots for all the work that they completed for that assignment. Okay. One of the things I am not good at is making sure that I return my work to my students. Well, this is going to make this process a little bit easier. Okay, you notice I have returned assignment number 1 because it has all these good check marks. Assignment 2, return all, those 3 dots up top. One more time, the 3 dots up top, return all, return. And what you can do is at the bottom here, a private comment that all students will get. The grades are now posted in Genesis. So they will all get a screen, an email telling them that the assignment has been turned in. The students will then have access to their documents again. They'll get an email with that comment, and boom, I have been able to return all of those assignments relatively quickly. So I'm still not putting grades in the classroom. It's a little overwhelming right now. However, I will show you one more time. I love the fact that I can return stuff to everyone. I can tell everyone grades are in Genesis. And then I am set. So that's how I'm going to be using the new grades section. If you have any questions, let me know.